This is the reality, how everything is. It's a very, very nice and convenient concept for everyone. Because I have no money, that I'm not from Russia, I don't live here. Everything is designed as a house itself. You will get the service, the same service as you would get the comfort or economy class. So for me, it's the first time looking and I'm seeing this in real life. Hi everyone, today I'm starting my vlog, my weekly vlog from Moscow. I traveled yesterday from Malaga to Russia with a transit in Serbia, and it was a very nice, pleasant flight. It was my first time flying with Air Serbia, and it was very nice. Just my second flight got a little bit delayed. However, everything went well, and now I'm finally in the hotel. I'm about to change a room to a bigger one. I had a night in single room, and I will be spending the rest of my weekends with my family. So I decided to start the vlog from here because I am now waiting for my luggage to be picked up. And this vlog is going to be very interesting. I'm going to be showing you all the best places in Moscow. I will be telling you about it, and since my uncle lives here, he will be sharing and showing us the best spots from Red Square to different parks and Moscow city. So stay tuned, it will be a very interesting vlog, and let's go. This is the reality, how everything is. This is my luggage, and this was my room. Before, I just moved here for one night in order to sleep. I came very early in the morning, so it was about 4 a.m. local time, and I had a very short time of sleep today. We had breakfast already with my uncle, so now waiting for the people to pick up my luggage, and I'll be showing you the proper room tour of this Movenpick hotel where I'm staying. So I just moved to another room, and this room is much bigger as we will be staying 2 people here. So let's do a little room tour. This is gonna be my bedroom. The sofa is gonna turn into bed, and I also have my own bathroom, which is very nice. And there is a master bedroom, which looks amazing. And we are currently in the city center, I would say. This is the highway, which is called, as I remember, Sadovое Кольцо. So the view is pretty nice. The weather here is super amazing. We are very lucky because now it's like the same weather as in Spain, 20 degrees. And let's see the bathroom here. Okay, that's nice. And what really surprised me about this hotel is that it was built quite recently, and everything here, literally everything, is controlled with the panels. It's a very modern thing that I've seen in Marbella, in Boho Club, and I've been recording another video about this. So that means that you don't really have to put a physical key card in the, in front of the door, like in the usual hotels, like in the old style. Now everyone is doing this, so you can control the room with all the panels. So I just turned on the light and I can control the AC and everything. So you can see closer, and everything turns off. Then you can, yes, you can control the lights in the bedroom. And you have also next to your bed the same options, so which is very nice. So we just came to have our breakfast, and I just wanted to share with you a very nice concept that this restaurant has. So basically it's kind of like grab and go, so you have all the options, you know. You have some seringue here, some quesadillas, but you can take it away. However, you can eat it also inside. So there is a very nice area here, and you basically ask the staff to warm up all the food for you, and that's what we just did. We ordered some, for example, I ordered some scramble, and I think I ordered some pancakes, and they will be warming up for me now. So I will show you how it looks like, and I think that it's a very, very nice and convenient concept for everyone, because people just can choose whatever they want here, and then they will bring it to you. So this is the final version how it looks like. We will have our breakfast and... Hola! Hola a todos! Muy rico! So I just came to the main market. I don't know how you say this in English, like certainly. However, this is the market, very famous one. It's called Boom, and yeah, it's like universal market, let's say. And it's very close to Red Square, and it looks just gorgeous. Every time I come here, it's the best feelings. Honestly, it looks amazing. I'll be showing you like how it looks more, you know. And now I had like a situation where I was supposed to go to the bathroom, so I basically found one, and it was for money, so I had to pay 50 rubles, which is like 50 cents, 50 euros, 50 50 cents, yes. And I didn't have any cash, and here you also don't have Apple Pay, so it doesn't work, Apple Pay in Russia at the moment. And I told the woman who I was supposed to pay for the bathroom, for the entry, that I have no money, that I'm not from Russia, I don't live here. And she just let me pass, which is a very good, very nice move from Russian person, because usually I don't think that someone else would let me in. So since the way from me, because I'm sitting just somewhere downstairs, and since for me the way was too long, I had to basically run upstairs back, and that's what I didn't do, thanks to her. Seriously, it's a very nice move, and hopefully like all the people are gonna be like this. Как красиво! Что это такое?
Фокус. Это герлен?
О, какая красота! Спасибо. You see? So here is like the very different atmosphere, very different environment. People are very nice here. Let's hope that it's gonna be the same here every time. So we just came to a very cozy Russian cuisine restaurant. Everything here is designed for families to come here, so we'll be checking out how it looks like. I'll be showing you that everything is designed as a house itself. So let's see the menu. Okay, so I just ordered some potato draniki, and this is like a very traditional dish with a side of salmon tartare, and it's amazing. But what impressed me most are these. So these are like pyrashki. So they have different tastes. This one has with meat, and they are so delicious. You can't even imagine how soft they are. I want to order more of this. And so this restaurant, as I said, the concept is like if you go to your grandma's house and you basically you feel yourself as a guest, but on that level that you feel like it's your own house, you know. And that's totally true. Everything's here, even though this restaurant is a member of a restaurant group called Ginza.
Yeah, I wanna be fat forever. I wanna be fat.
We don't want to be
Y
fat.
por eso yo como esto. Esta comida
Esta comida está muy buena,
rica.
muy rica.
Eso es, exacto.
Sí, hablamos español aquí porque mi tío no habla inglés. Y pues tengo que hablar en español. Yo no hablo español muy bien. Pero lo
intento.
Lo intento.
А ты до сих пор занимаешься учителем?
Una entrevista con Valentina. ¿Te gustas, Patriarche?
Cartito y revista.
¿Ah?
Es solo cortita revista, entonces sí, estoy listo.
Sí, una
Dime.
cartita.
Dime,
¿Te gustas, Patriarche?
¿qué te gusta? Es correcto, te gusta. Pues sí, me gusta este lugar. El lugar es muy bueno.
Y pues, ¿cuántos años? ¿Сколько лет ты здесь жил? ¿Cuántos años viviste aquí en Moscú?
Durante 5 años.
5 años.
Vivía
¿Y te extrañas Moscú? Extrañas.
¿Qué significa?
¿Te escuchas? Extraño.
De menos.
Hechos de menos. Ok, muchas gracias, Валентин.
Я скорректировал вообще-то. Спасибо, до свидания и хороших снов.
When I'm in Moscow, I always do something with my beauty treatments. So this time I went to do my hair treatment. I'm gonna put some videos over here, and that's actually something that my mom recommended me. She has done this before, and this time I've done the treatment myself. So the thing is that after the treatment I have to take care of my hair a lot, and let's see how it's gonna be. They already made me an instruction how to take care of my hair after the procedure, after the treatment. So this is my after. You can see my before that here on the photos, and it was pretty bad. I thought that my hair was very nice, but now the hair looks even better. Also, I just wanted to say a few words about the taxis here. How different is it from Spain? First of all, the prices. Of course, I would say that the main difference is that even in Malaga, you take the taxi and you basically pay 100 euros to go around 30 minutes to the airport, which is already such a big price for me. Every time I have to take the bus because there is no other alternative. So you either take the 100 euro taxi or you take the bus. Second of all, the service here is so much different. Even in Marbella, of course, you will take the most expensive taxi, executive one, in Bolt or in Uber. You will get the service, the same service as you would get the comfort or economy class. People in Europe, they don't know the definition of service, and I'll keep repeating it. This is why people, I think that they should come here to experience the real service, the real meaning of it. So now I really enjoy my time here a lot, because this is where I was born. This is my definition of the high maintenance and high kind of meaning of my service. So I'm really enjoying myself right now, and I recommend everyone to come and visit Moscow to see how we treat people here.
I've been navy blue, been somebody's fool, but all I remember now is being with you.
Finally, today is one day before the Congress itself, and we came to see all the preparations, what is happening here. So I'll be showing you the live footage from how the team is preparing for the Beauty Day Pro here. Since my audience is mainly in English, you wouldn't understand what every stand here means, but I'll try to explain you shortly what is happening here. So it's a big market that happens around 2 times a year for all the professionals in beauty and hair. So all the barbers, all the hair specialists, they gather around, and all the stands that you can see here, those are stands where they sell their products to the guests who arrive to the Congress tomorrow. It's gonna be a 2-day Congress, and my uncle organizes it. He's the founder, he's the creator of them. So for me, it's the first time I'm looking and I'm seeing this in real life. And he will be giving, so there will be different guests, and they will be giving speeches on different techniques for the beauty, for the hair. So this is the main idea of the Congress. And these stands, they basically have the chance to sell their products to the guests who are going to be arriving. So it's a 50-50 win situation. Actually, my uncle, he has done so many things in the past, We are from Rostov, from the southern city. Right now, this congress happens only in Moscow, and all the beauty specialists, they come from all the different cities, and they come here for a 2-day congress, and they spend time with like-minded people, you can say, and they kind of, you know, benefit each other. So he has done so many things in the past. He had his beauty magazine, and then he decided to create his kind of congresses. Finally, the day has come, and we are going to the congress, and it's gonna be a 2-day congress. However, we will be only attending one of these days, the main one, with the main opening where my uncle is gonna be speaking. So now we're in the taxi, we're on our way, and I hope that I'll be able to show you everything. I will be sitting in the lounge, like upstairs, so I will have a view on everything, you know, from the top. So yeah, let's go. I'm super excited, and the weather today is much better than the previous days, so let's go and see what's gonna happen. We're about to take a train, and it's my first time traveling in a 2-floor train back to Rostov, to the southern city where I'm from. This is how it looks like. So now we're traveling back from Moscow. It's been crazy few days. Good and bad things happen, but finally we are going back. So now I'm gonna be sharing with you something I think that will be very interesting for those who don't live in Russia and those who don't know how we travel, you know, now that lots of airports don't work, and including mine, my airport in Rostov-on-Don doesn't work. So that's the reason why we're traveling back more than 15 hours with this train. It's gonna be very interesting time. I'm traveling with my granny, and we'll be now sleeping. It's now 12 a.m. Local time, and yeah, let's see what's inside our room, our train room. And yeah, I'll be sharing with you like my honest opinion in English for my English audience. So now it's sleepy time, so let me take you with me and unpack some of the things, because we are actually traveling with business class. You can say this is not the first class, there is also a first class train. However, we decided to take business class. So the reason for that also is that we're traveling 2 of us, and first class is only for 1 person, and my granny, she was traveling first class, but now we're 2 of us, so we have to be together. That's why we are taking the business class. Also, we are given some more necessities that we might need in the train. It includes a brush for the shoes, a hairbrush, then I'll have some slippers. Also, what else do we have? This is a shoe, like a fitter. the toothbrush with toothpaste, my slippers that I will put on right now. And what else do we have? We have a sleeping mask, which I really need. And yeah, some wet wipes. And that's it. So this is the only train company in Russia, since we have monopoly, and it's called RZD. So if you will be traveling in Russia, you will probably take the train with this company. So as we came to the train, we had some snacks prepared for us, since we have one meal that is going to be served for us, including in the price of the ticket. They also put us some fruits. Also we have some snacks here, you know, something that we might need. Also we have the tomato juice and some water. So these are some necessities. And actually tomorrow they will be serving us breakfast. So we chose, I think, omelette, and we chose some pancakes, as well as some cheese platter. So I understand that the cheese is not going to be the same as in Spain, but it's better than nothing. So we just got our lunch, and I got the traditional borscht, of course. My granny got chicken soup with I guess some pasta, and we have some potatoes, with fried potatoes with mushrooms. So bon appetit for us.